everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do some mark making with a little comb. Again, this was just another dollar store find, and a while ago I did a little cactus video, and I have all these greenish pages that I made to do different cactus shapes, and I was wondering what these little prongs would look like, just as little dots, but also like little marks across the pages if I can swipe some paint. So I just have a bunch of white paint that I put down, and I'm going to start just by adding a little bit just to the edge of my comb. And I kind of wanted to see if I could swipe some paint or do some different styles of shape, but the paint doesn't really go that far, so you can get a few marks. So that's actually kind of fun, doing it in just doing little bits at a time. There we go. So kind of holding it at an angle a little bit and pressing down, you can get those little prongs to kind of slide some of that paint. There we go. I like that. Different. A little bit different than just making little dots or marks with it. So I'm going to keep going on this one with just my little curve shape there. And you could always try putting some paint down and then swiping this through it and seeing how it would lift some of your paint. I know my last item that I tried that with didn't really lift too much, but it definitely put the paint down, so that's fun. I like that. Okay, so on this one, I'm just going to do, again, just some swiping, but not in a curve, probably just up and down, because you can get all sorts of little shapes like that. I'm going to put paint on a little bit more and see if I can, yeah, so you can just press it down a little bit and create just some line shapes. I do like that. That's fun. And then if you hold, you can swipe down a little bit when you have a little bit extra paint on there. Yeah, I think I like the pressing and swiping. That creates a really fun pattern right there. So I do kind of like this. I'm going to try that again, just the curved shape on this page. And I'm kind of thinking if I put more paint on there, we're going to try and press down. Now it just kind of swipes it and makes a mess, so I'll have to try that again. But let's see what we... There we go. Yeah, I really like that. It's just a really fun way to do some designs, but you could use it a few different ways, and I think they're all fun in their own way. For some reason, I'm just really enjoying that like fan pattern, so I might try that some more or in some different colors. But again, household item, you probably have one, and if you're not using it, go ahead and try it with your art, rinse it off, and it's good to go again. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.